How to create VR courseware of English learning using VR Mysticraft. Check out the finished work. In this VR courseware, students will learn different colors in cartoon scenes. It helps students to have better knowledge retention and application in real life. You can also record your voice and put them in the courseware. Now, we will start to create the VR courseware for English learning using VR Mysticraft. Choose and edit a suitable scene. Then, save and rename the VR work in your user space. Make sure the camera is at the best position for your work by jetting the camera and entering coordinates for fine-tuning. Use characters and objects from the resource library. Drag and drop them in the scene to build a dialogue situation. Rename similar objects to distinguish them in later operations. Adjust position coordinates of characters and objects to optimize the layout. Edit default actions for each character. Use our built-in action library to make our characters vivid. Drag characters on the logic axis and set their style of entering the scene. From text on the logic axis. Write contents to introduce the color of green, then adjust text style. Edit the time duration and displaying method of the front text. Add flowing effects to objects to improve visual experience and draw students' attention. Select appropriate audios from the resource library. You can also upload your pre-recorded audios to your work.
That's green. That's a green tree.
Set trigger conditions on logic axis. Add move on the logic axis. Draw a path for the movement. make fine adjustments to create a more smooth and natural path. Set parameters for the running action to make it look more natural and suitable for the character. Set parameters for the action of the characters to make them more vivid. It helps to build a more realistic environment. Review your work instantly to see if everything is perfect.
That's green. That's a green tree.
These are yellow. These are yellow bananas.
That's brown. That's a brown dog.
These are white. These are white ducks.
VR Mysticraft. Create and apply. Immerse and experience.